Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with YO-Gourmet. First, gather your essential tools: the YO-Gourmet yogurt maker, a reliable thermometer, and 1 liter of fresh milk. It's crucial to ensure all your equipment is spotlessly clean and sanitized before you begin. This step prevents any unwanted bacteria from interfering with your delicious yogurt. Also, select a high-quality starter culture. It's the secret to perfect, consistent results every time. Next, pour your 1 liter of milk into a saucepan and gently heat it to exactly 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 82 degrees Celsius. Remember to stir continuously to prevent the milk from scorching at the bottom of the pan. Once it reaches the target temperature, remove it from the heat. Now, let the milk cool down to a precise range of 108 to 112 degrees Fahrenheit or 42 to 44 degrees Celsius. Once your milk has cooled to the ideal temperature, it's time to introduce the magic ingredient, the starter culture. Carefully add 1 full packet of YO-Gourmet starter culture to the milk. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly for about 1 minute, ensuring the culture is evenly distributed throughout. Then, pour the inoculated milk into your YO-Gourmet container and place it in the yogurt maker. Allow it to incubate for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours of incubation, your yogurt should be beautifully set. Carefully remove the container from the YO-Gourmet maker. Now, the final crucial step is chilling. Place your freshly made yogurt in the refrigerator for a minimum of 8 hours. This not only halts the fermentation process, but also allows the yogurt to thicken and develop its rich, creamy texture. Enjoy your delicious, homemade YO-Gourmet yogurt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.